Well, the SAT pattern has changed and it has incorporated many changes into it. So we have decided to bring all these changes. In fact, we have decided to decode all these changes one by one to you. Manish from Test Prep Card. But before I proceed further, I just wanted to give all of you a very good news on behalf of the organization Test Prep Card. Test Prep Card has made the vast repository of study material related with SAT1 and SAT2. Name anything in the name of SAT and you are having this. All you need to do, you go to SAT download section on Test Prep Card and download it as much as possible. It's the ocean of content and probably the largest repository of material on this planet in the name of SAT1 and SAT2. That's it. Now, returning again to the topic, let me decode all the changes one by one, okay, in a very simple way. First of all, let me inform you why what significant changes have been incorporated into SAT1. It is all about incorporation of problem solving, critical thinking and data analysis, which is completely new to the students who will be writing SAT 1 from 1st of April 2016. Now, in old pattern, 0.25 was deducted from, there was negative marking and that was for 0.25. Now, in new SAT, there is no negative marking. The old SAT was 2400, this one is of 1600. Now, as far as matter is concerned with the pattern of question or the structure of questions, just a second. It is the critical reading question, in the old pattern, there were 3 sections, critical reading, math and writing section, which would be comprising an essay. You also had an experimental question, but that was optional. But now, new SAT has come up only with a 2 section, first is verbal and second is quant. In terms of timing, there are, the old SAT was of 3 hours and 45 minutes. This one, the new one, is of 3 hours and 50 minutes. Of course, essay is optional. Now, administration part, I won't say there is significant change. In old SAT, the time taken for essay, it was only of 25 minutes. In the new SAT pattern, essay is optional, 650 to 700 words you can say. And it is only of, but for this you are being given 50 minutes. The math section, this has comprised of the most significant change, right? There are 2-3 changes. The old pattern of SAT was testing your computational skill, but here it is mainly problem solving, critical thinking and data analysis. In old pattern of SAT, you could have used calculator for all the mathematical questions, but here in new pattern of SAT, there would only be 37 questions for which you would be allowed to use calculator. So these are the 5-6 significant changes. If we keep in mind, then you won't be finding, just to assimilate between the old SAT as well as the new SAT pattern, which is, as I told you, going to be applicable from 1st of April 2016. Also, you should take this change very seriously because the type of question which is going to be incorporated in mathematics section, quant section, these would be new. So for that only we would advise you just to come to the Test Prep Card SAT download section. You shall have plenty of sample papers, past year papers, the new pattern SAT questions for English as well as mathematics. So this is it. This is my advice to you. Just come to our, if you want to have particular updates, regular updates, you should keep on visiting Test Prep Card SAT section. That's it. Thank you.